Man, listen, if y'all haven't been paying attention to some of the news that's been coming out the Lil Durk trial, I'm going to tell you now, it is not looking good for Durk as of today. Because according to some of the people that's been covering his trial, they claim the federal government, which is the feds, opened up his trial today by presenting some strong unseen evidence to the jury that the defense ain't never seen. And the way that evidence is looking, this case might not go into Durk's favor at all. Because, bruh, according to the feds, when it comes to the witnesses who they got set to take the stand against Durk, 3 of those witnesses are his own OTF members. And 2 of the members out the 3 are OTF Vonnie and OTF Jam, who I believe will hurt Durk's case the most if they do testify. Because as for OTF Vonnie, the feds are labeling him the key facilitator who put the whole plate together that led to the death of Lul Pab. And when it come to OTF Jam, bruh, the feds said that man been working as an informant ever since he got released from prison a couple years back, where he served about 12 years in state prison. Yeah, I don't know about y'all, but I already knew them boys was about to cooperate a long time ago, and let me tell you how I knew. Because after I heard Vonnie checked in the PC within the first month after he got arrested for this case, I knew it was over for him. And I don't think I need to say much about Jam, because by him getting released on a federal bond on a murder for hire case, even though he already got violence on his record in the past, yeah, ain't no way. Bruh, you can ask anybody who ever did Fed time. The feds will never agree to something like that unless they getting something out of it, and that's him talking. But as for some of the evidence that the feds presented in trial today, bruh, the feds got evidence showing them boys been on Quando Rondo's head for a long time. Because according to some of the people that's been covering this case and sitting inside of the trial where they've been hearing and listening to this stuff, they claim the feds showed videos of these boys riding around stalking Quando Rondo on different occasions, bruh. So they been on that boy's head trying to whack him. And that's not all, because for months people been saying that boy Jam was not part of this hit at all. He just got picked up on something different. But that is not what the feds is saying, because they said in court that they know it's 100% chance that that boy Jam was a shooter that was involved in this hit. And y'all, let me tell you now, the feds even got evidence to back up their claims, because that boy Jam agreed to take the stand to testify about this hit and also other hits that he carried out for Durk and other people around Chicago. Because according to him, he claims he's a paid hitman for Durk and other people around Chicago who paid for his services in the past. Man, let me tell you now, and if you don't think Vonnie's testimony and Jam's testimony, who were 2 people that was involved in this hit, is not going to sink Durk, I don't know what to tell you, man. Because, bruh, by the jury alone seeing that these 2 dudes who was close to Durk, who was involved in this hit, agreeing to testify against Durk, man, that looks bad as hell against Durk, man. And listen, bruh, if that's not enough to show that Durk might be guilty of this shit, bruh, man, listen to this. Man, according to the feds, they trying to say that boy Durk ran from the FBI and tried to board a private jet to flee the country once he found out he had a federal warrant out for his arrest for this murder for hire case.